What are you gonna do?
Find Gigi? Guess what happens next?
She loves me enough.
Which version? Because after she hears what you've done, I don't think love will be the word.
You two are over, Rex. You did that.
She can forgive me. And I won't stop till I get her back.
What about Stacy?
What about her?
She's out there in the snow somewhere, Rex, pregnant.
Yeah, with his kid, not mine. Which makes her his problem.
I think there's something wrong with her.
What do you mean there's something wrong with her? You just told me she was perfect. 10 little fingers and 10 little toes.
I know, but didn't she look, I don't know, pinker to you before?
When?
When I handed her to you.
But she was just born. Even I'm paler now, right?
No, you're not. I mean, look at her mouth. Don't her lips look a little blue?
Well, what did Shane look like when he was born?
He was beat red and hollering his head off.
She just has better behavior.
Your daughter?
Oh, God, she's so beautiful. Gigi, I think you're right. She is looking a little blue right there. What do you think's wrong?
I'm not a doctor.
But you've had a baby,
In a hospital stays with my OB and nurses and tons of equipment.
Well, we don't have that. All we have is you.
So you're just gonna walk away?
From Stacy? She made my life a living hell. With your help. You figured out. She's all yours.
Rex, what are you gonna tell Gigi?
The truth. Get used to it.
No, maybe it's better this way.
Oh yeah, if Gigi hears it from him instead of me, she's gonna hate me.
Maybe, or maybe not.
You know, I can't worry about this right now. We gotta find Stacy and my kid.
Trust me, I want to find her as much as you do.
Why? Why is this so personal for you?
Maybe we should give her, what do you call it? Mouth to mouth.
She's breathing. It's just, I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's enough.
But we have to do something.
We have to get her to a hospital.
How? You just said the roads are blocked. They're not going to plow them for days. There's no phones. There's no cell service.
Stacey, let me think.
We can't just sit around here and let her die.
I'm not gonna let anybody die. I'm gonna bundle her up, and I'm gonna walk her down to the main road.
No, not without me.
You just gave birth. You're not going anywhere. It's just that she's so helpless. She's not. She has me.
I love you, Sierra Rose.
I'm gonna take really good care of her. And I'm gonna send someone for you.
Don't worry about me. Just take her.
Look, I'm a cop, Skylar, okay? It's my job to take care of people.
Really? Fish, because I don't think so. It seems like Stacy and her baby mean something to you.
Sky? Skylar?
Kid, what are you doing here?
I need to know what the hell is going on. Sky, where's my girl?
There's no word on Stacy.
What about John and Natalie?
We're still searching.
Is that where the car went off the road?
Yeah, careful, careful. The ground could give way.
Oh my God.
Listen, I searched the car myself, okay? There were no bodies. They got out, I'm sure of it.
Then where are they?
Careful, careful. It's slippery.
Take it you never made it to the cabin?
No.
Okay, so you haven't talked to Gigi.
No, look, before you get too excited.
Hey, as long as she doesn't know that Rex is the father.
Rex knows.
What do you mean?
He knows he's not the father I am.
How? How does he know, Skylar?
Because I told him. I told him everything, okay? I told him about Stacy's miscarriage. I told him about how she drugged me, how she tried to pass the
And he
new one off.
believed you?
Yes, of course he believed me. It's the truth, Kim.
Gotta find her. If Rex finds Stacy first, I'll kill her.
Gigi! What are you doing here?
Okay, Sierra, we're halfway there, baby girl. It's just with all this snow, everything looks so different. It's gotta be this way.
Brody, whatever you want. I asked you a question. What are you doing here? Where is Gigi?
Rex, I have the baby.
No, that's not possible. Skylar said you weren't due for another month. Unless Skylar's lying and it is my kid.
Rex, I swear.
You know what? I don't want to hear it. You would just lie to me again. The truth is, you lost our baby, and then you got pregnant again, and this time it is Skylar's kid.
She has a name. It's Sierra Rose. What do you think just happened here?
You could have set all this up.
Why? I didn't know you were coming. Okay, look at me. Okay, she was just born just a little while ago.
Okay, so where is she, this baby you had all on your own?
I didn't have a baby of my own. Gigi was here. She helped me.
Okay, so where is she? Where is Gigi?
You okay, Sierra Rose? Oh, you're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. All right. Okay, we're halfway there. What the hell? What is this? Great. Okay, we're just gonna have to take it very slow. Because there's all this ice. No trees. Oh my God. Oh my God. We're on the lake. We're on the lake.
Rex isn't gonna kill Stacy.
If he does, it's on you. You know, why the hell did you have to go and tell him? We were almost home free.
Because he went looking through my backpack in a car, and he found a copy of the will naming me as guardian. So he's not stupid, Kim. He figured it out, and I explained the rest to him.
I knew that will was a mistake.
Okay, you know what? It doesn't even matter right now. It's over. It's done. The only thing that matters is that we have to find Stacy, because she's out there somewhere carrying my kid.
Would you get over yourself?
Kim, it is my kid.
You were out cold. She did all the work.
Oh.
You know what? She's the one who's been carrying around the stupid kid for almost 9 months, getting stretch marks and swollen ankles and who knows what else. Not to mention labor, which if men had to give birth would be outlawed. So don't go telling me how you're the father, okay? You're just the donor, Sky, that's it.
Skylar, you still up for looking for Stacy?
What about John and Natalie?
I'm sorry. A pregnant woman in the woods takes precedence.
Well, then I'm looking for them. I'll go with you. I'll find Stacy before either one of you two heroes.
Two are going home.
Not without John and Natalie. Even if they survived that explosion, they're probably seriously injured. They'd be lying in the snow somewhere.
You know what? I hope not. But sending 2 civilians out into the woods, that's not the solution.
Letting John die is?
John can take care of himself, Marty, and the last thing he would want is for anything to happen to you.
I'll be fine. I have a cell phone. All I'm going to do is go look
home.
for him.
Go home, Marty. That's an order.
We're wasting time.
I'll call you with any news.
What kind? You're not even looking for them. What kind of news?
Let's go. Let's go.
Was he serious? What, just because we're chicks we can't help?
Oh, you didn't say that.
Yeah, you hear what you want to hear. 4 people are better than 2. Look, I'm gonna go up to the cabin, see if I can find Stacy. You okay with me for John and
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Okay, call me if you run into trouble. Okay?
I will. You too.